Back in suburban Maryland, home of the Washington football team.
Mostly sunny, 62 degrees. A lot of Chiefs fans here today, right behind the bench.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's Taylor.
And so Washington will get the ball first. And so the Washington team will have a 3-and-out to start. They hand it off. Darrell Williams powering behind left guard. He's into the end zone. Touchdown! First and 10 for the Washington team. It goes to Gibson again. And now the ball pops out late. The Kansas City Chiefs had their first takeaway since week 2. L'Jarius Sneed. The Chiefs trailing Washington 13-10 here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Washington 20, blitz to the right of Mahomes. Jump pass. Tyreek Hill makes the catch at the 8-yard line. Darrell Williams, a lone setback. They fake it to him. The quick pass, touchdown! Kansas City! Gonna give it off. Darrell Williams cuts it back to the left after starting right into the end zone. Touchdown!
I'm right there.
The Chiefs get their coveted second half 2-possession lead. Takes the snap from Humphrey. Fade pattern. D-Rob's wide open. Caught a touchdown! Kansas City!
Heineke intercepted. How about that play from Tershawn Wharton?
The Chiefs get 21 second half points unanswered. They shut out Washington in the second half. And the Chiefs get the victory 31-13.